Hello YouTube! In this video, we'll discuss a major issue affecting Honda Civic's 8th generation, as well as many other cars regularly driven on salty winter roads. After 16 years, the driveshaft had finally had enough of the mistreatment and salt, ultimately snapping in half. But why did this happen? From a distance, it may appear to be just a bit of surface rust, but upon closer inspection, the diameter in the middle where it snapped is significantly smaller than it should be. This is because salt and water seeped under the rubber vibration damper in the middle, resulting in much faster corrosion in this section, ultimately weakening the driveshaft to the point of failure. So, if you have an older car that's driven in salty conditions and features such rubber dampers on the driveshafts, it's worth checking if rubber is cracked, allowing water and salt to easily penetrate. With that, I'd like to conclude this video. Please subscribe for more essential maintenance tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.